love her, dear friends. It is so wonderful to see the precious and radiant faces of friends who have traveled from far and near. Allow me, on behalf of the National Spiritual Assembly of the Bahá'ís of Kenya, to extend the Assembly's warmest love and greetings to each and every one of you. It is really a special honor for the Kenya Bahá'í community to be able to host this regional gathering, which typically is our national institutional conference. But this time, it is enriched by your presence, sister communities from around the region, friends coming from Eritrea and Ethiopia, from Southern Sudan, from Tanzania, from Uganda, and of course, from all of the regions of Kenya. But it is also graced and blessed by the presence of our regional councillors. We have Councillor Nancy and Councillor Michael from Uganda. We have Councillor Agustino from Tanzania. We have our dear councillors Lynette and Townshend from Kenya. But we have a special bounty and a special blessing that this gathering is also graced by the presence of friends from the Baha'i World Centre. We have the directors from the Baha'i International Development Organization, dear Mr. Sina Rahmania and Mrs. Debbie Singh. And then we have our precious, precious councillors, dear Mama Rachel Ndegwa, dear Councillor Navid Serrano. Welcome, 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 dear friends. Welcome.
Kweli